What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the Pixel phones that are going to be mid-tier devices. We talked about these back in November of last year, and XDA has unearthed some new information about these devices, and it's basically about the names. So the names of these devices, once they're released, are going to be the Pixel 3a and the Pixel 3a XL. Again, mid-tier devices. The processors in these should be like Snapdragon 660s or 670s, something like that. As for screen displays, they're gonna have 5.6-inch display and a 6.0-inch display. They will have headphone jacks, USB-C, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, the same cameras that are on the 3 and 3XL currently. Again, headphone jack and extra things as well. Again, we don't have an exact date when this come out, but I would assume they'd come out fairly soon, especially since the 3 and 3XL have been out for months at this point. Yesterday, Apple released 2 new updated iPads, the iPad Air and the iPad Mini. They updated the specs inside, not really the design, so you're gonna get that same home button and design overall, 2 speakers instead of 4. Prices start off at $399, so they're not the most well-priced ones. They still have a tablet that's like $250 that does most of the other stuff, except these ones have an A12 processor inside, which is their latest processor on their phone, so that matches what they have in these new iPads. So if you're interested in the iPads, they are listed down below. You can pick them up now. And our last story of the day is a real-life video of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So if you've been wanting to see this phone, not just in Samsung promotional videos, you've been wanting it to see like in a real life video, there is a video floating around right now on YouTube showing off this device when it's closed, when it's open. It's a couple minutes. It's definitely worth checking out. And again, it shows off the phone. It's the AT&T variant of this phone, showing off, that the model number. It shows off him just, going through the operating system ever so slightly. It's not hugely in depth, but it's definitely really cool to see, and it gives you an idea. Maybe do you want to purchase it? Do you not? To me, just looking at it, it kind of feels like the screen is large, but then I see his hand next to it and it doesn't look that large. I don't know. I'm very interested to try out this device to see how it feels. I mean, it's a tablet, it's a phone, but it's a small tablet at that. And the phone screen sizes are really big right now. We're at 6.4 currently with the S10 Plus. There's also a 6.7-inch coming out. That Galaxy Fold is only 7.3 when it's completely wide open, 4.6 when it's closed up. And when it's closed up, it looks a little bit weird and thick if you see it from the side, because he shows it off from the side. But still, I kind of on the border if I really want to get it or not, especially with the price being close to $2,000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, how do you feel about that Galaxy Fold after watching that video? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace!